Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to clear the system data bug in your iPhone 17. It happened on my iPhone, so I can easily explain what I did. So what is system data at first? System data includes temporary system caches, app caches, especially streaming or social applications such as TikTok, etc., iOS logs and the background files, and Siri, keyboard, indexing data. Normally, this should be between 5 to 15 gigabytes of data. Anything far beyond is usually a bug. So at first, what I recommend doing and what I did is to restart your iPhone. Hold the volume down button and side button and slide to power off this slider. Here I will tap cancel because I don't want my iPhone to shut down, because I want to tell you and show you further. But then after the 1 minute or 30 seconds, just turn your iPhone on. It's surprisingly effective because it often reaches system data by several gigabytes. It's not much. I mean, it's not every single thing that it's here, but this should fix your issue. If it didn't fix your issue, open the settings and scroll all the way up, maybe not all the way, but to general, and tap software update. Apple frequently fixes storage bugs in minor updates, so if you do have here any updates, update your iPhone immediately. So number 3, check storage the right way. But HardReset.Info worker, why should I check my storage the right way? Actually, if I go here to iPhone storage, it will show some basic data like now. But if we wait up to 2 minutes here without exiting this, the system data should shrink on its own. It's because often it's miscalculated or the photos are taken into the consideration of the system data, so on. So yeah, apart from that, you can, as the number 4, I think, you can go back, scroll all the way down to the apps, search for the letter S and tap Safari. Here you have to scroll all the way down so that you can see, may not know why, here, clear history and website data. Tap it, here, on history, close all tabs. Optional but helpful, this can balloon system data, and if we click this button, it should just disappear. Apart from that, if you do have the applications on your iPhone such as TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, Spotify, Facebook, every single social media application where you post something, I do recommend deleting and reinstalling this application. At first, go to the App Store, for example, or just search for the app icons over here, or search for the applications in the settings tab, which we were some quite minutes ago. Here settings, here apps, and now search for these types of applications, delete them, restart your iPhone, and reinstall this application. This clears hidden caches that offload applications doesn't remove. Apart from that, what I recommend doing, this is I guess number 6, is to turn off the background app refresh for applications, of course temporarily. If we go here to the settings and general, over here, we can find the background app refresh over here. Disable it for every single application that's here, no matter which application is this. Then restart your iPhone and turn on back later if you want. Here, as you can see, we have Wi-Fi and cellular data. Turn off here, and you can just do it. Number 7. Wait a moment, I need to turn on this because my colleague will just will be mad at me. Reset network settings. It's safe, so don't worry. Here in the general tab, tap transfer reset iPhone, reset network settings, 1, 2, 3, 4, your passcode, and tap this reset network settings in the red font. This will reset all the network settings like Wi-Fi, like Bluetooth, like passwords, but of course it won't delete your data, just passwords and devices. And this clears some system level caches, and just a simple bug can make just as few passwords with 2 gigabytes, 3 gigabytes, just a simple bug, because the data may be saved just thousands of times. And the most effective fix, if nothing else works and you don't want to give your iPhone to the authorized service and have it fixed for you, is to just do a factory reset of your device. Yes, I know that is not, and this is not good. But here in the general, if you tap transfer reset iPhone, tap erase all content settings, continue, and just go through all this. Wait a moment, I need to go back now. And this is the only 100% reliable solution for this system data bug, and it will work. It's guaranteed. It will work like 100%. If you want to have a backup of your device, just do it. Set up a backup, then just do it over here. Users often see system data drop from 40 to 60 gigabytes to under 10. And listen to me, what doesn't work? Which steps are probably dead that doesn't work? Installing cleaner applications. I hate these applications, actually. I don't like them, and they should be just they should just disappear from the App Store and from Play Stores, everywhere where they are. Don't trust them. These are just the applications you have to pay for, usually for the subscriptions, and the only thing they do is just clears some things that are cleaned by iPhones or most modern Android phones automatically, and you have to pay for that. Apart from that, closing apps manually. On your iPhone, you shouldn't close the applications manually. You shouldn't. These are the applications that are in the background, and they can stay over here. So if you, for example, open these applications, just leave them. There's no difference actually in the battery, in everything, if you have all them enabled. And once you turn them off, and turn them off, you'll just make yourself a problem of the battery drain. Apart from that, clearing photos or messages doesn't work, and offloading apps doesn't work. And what's normal versus bugged system data size? If you have 5 to 10 gigabytes, it's normal. If you have 10 to 15 gigabytes, it is acceptable. And don't worry, it's I did a table for me as like a small cheat sheet. I know what I'm talking about. If you have 15 to 25 gigabytes, it's high but manageable. Like, it's still in this like frames of normal system data size, but 25 gigabytes and plus, it's bugged. And actually, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like on our video. I hope now that you don't really have to go to the authorized service and have your phone fixed. I hope too that you didn't really have to do a factory reset of your device, because it's usually not a good process. Not nice process to do, and you get rid of all of your data. And if you don't do a backup, you lose them. So yeah. And first do a backup. And actually, that's it. As I said, have a nice day and goodbye.